The Guilford Press, in association with Riverside Digital Productions, presents Attachment Theory in Practice, Emotionally Focused Therapy, EFT, with Individuals, Couples, and Families, by Susan M. Johnson. Narrated by Mary Conway. Additional voice talent: Julie Campbell, Booth Daniels, Nicholas Dramard, Maceo Oliver, Allison Posner, Michael Quinlan, Henry Spielberg, Jacqueline Walrath. Published by the Guilford Press, a division of Guilford Publications, Inc., audiobook copyright 2023. Print edition copyright 2019. Publisher's note. Thank you for purchasing this Guilford Press audiobook. This title has supplemental material, which includes a figure referenced in this audiobook, as well as the table of contents, appendices, and references, among other resources. To download the PDF, go to the following URL: www.guilford.com/Johnson10-audiobook. Preface. I have to write. I write to try to tie down the chaos of life's moving kaleidoscope and to hold it still for a moment. I write notes while I'm working in therapy. I write when I am unclear as to how to make sense of an experience, or when I find something particularly significant or beautiful. I have to write about what my clients teach me in my sessions, and they always teach me something. Amazingly, I find that every session and every written reflection is still an adventure, a chance to clamber into this territory called being human. What will I find there? Always something I do not yet really understand. As a psychologist, I also have the chance to be a perpetual student, listening to all the great names in psychology and psychotherapy share their insights and their conclusions and offer their suggestions for how our field should proceed into the 21st century. I teach therapists around the world and listen to their longings, their frustrations, and their dilemmas. So it is natural that over the last decade, I have formed my own vision about the great endeavor called psychotherapy, about what our problems are and what is the best way forward. And it is natural that I must now write about this vision. I am filled with hope for our profession. We are learning so much and so fast, especially about intimate relationships and the role they play in who we are and how our lives unfold, for better and for worse. I'm also filled with dismay, and some of the reasons I am sure will be clear in Chapter 1. The world needs good therapists more than ever, and good therapists need a clear way of seeing human beings, a map of their struggles, and a clear route for guiding their clients toward wholeness and health. When we are safe and sound, confident and clear, then we can help our clients come home to the same place. This book offers a synopsis of attachment theory as a comprehensive developmental perspective on personality and affect regulation, and presents the implications of this theory for the general practice of psychotherapy. It delineates the clear links between attachment theory and the experiential humanistic model of intervention, using emotionally focused therapy, EFT, as a guide to following these links. It also offers an integrative approach to assessment and an outline of how the insights of attachment translate into effective intervention in individual, couple, and family therapy. Individual chapters on each modality expand this discussion, which is illuminated by clinical chapters showing interventions in action. In the first, and more briefly in the last chapter, I summarize the promise of attachment theory and science for the practice of psychotherapy. In this book, the focus of intervention is on depression and anxiety, also referred to as emotional disorders. Those of you who know my work will not be surprised by my arguments or conclusions. The way forward is to honor both the relational heart of the practice of psychotherapy and the wisdom of our emotions, and to tune in to attachment science as a guide to our craft. Attachment science is about biology, but it is also about common sense, what our deepest intuitions have always told us. It is, above all, about what makes us human, our relationships. Having a positive sense of connection
Sample complete. Ready to continue?